Hey guys, what's up? My name is Brian Martin here, and this is the 7th episode of Spigot Coding for Beginners. Actually, yeah, changed the title a little bit because I figured that, well, someone commented that no one would ever search up Spigot API programming, so I kind of changed it. Anyways, today's video is going to be on permissions, so we can get rid of this from all of our last video because we're not going to be using this. Yeah, we won't be using that. Okay, so we can get rid of all these unnecessary imports, and we're going to actually we're going to import listener. We're going to actually, are we even going to use? No, we're not going to use listener. We don't need to implement a listener here. So we'll just remove this, delete, oh shit, Control Shift O. Okay, so permissions. It's really simple. Permissions is super simple. It's basically just an if statement and your plugin.yml, which I'm not sure why my plugin.yml is here. It should be in the source folder. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to, like always, make our public void on enable method, and let me just fix that up. And we're going to make a public void. Now we don't even need a public void on disable actually. If you guys want, you'd like a lot of people override this. I'm not sure why people override the unenable, but people do. You can do that. I don't usually do it, but I'll just leave it there for so you guys understand, like you guys know where to put it. So we're just gonna make an on command statement here. Can I like? Okay, no, I can't. So under return statement on command sender. Oh my god. Command string label and string array arguments. Oh no, I already did my parentheses. I gotta import everything, and there we go. So we're going to get the command stuff out of the way. Command.get name dot equals ignore case. I almost forgot what to do, and we're just gonna parentheses. I'm gonna do test, and if the player if sender instance of player, then we'll do this. I hope you guys know it's just saying that, like, I don't know if I already explained this. It's just saying that if the person that did the command is a player, it will do whatever's in here. And we'll make an else statement saying sender.send message. You must be a player to use this command. And we have to we'll just send sender.send message. I mean, let's do you successfully you have permissions to use this command, and if they don't, they'll obviously this. So you know what, the console should be able to use this, so get rid of that. Console should be able to use that. I wasn't thinking. And we can remove that. We can just do sender.send message check color.red just to spice things up a little bit. You don't have the permissions to use this command. Perfect. And sender.send message, you have the permissions to use this command. we're just gonna go check color dot green plus sign. We're gonna make the if, so this is how you check if the player has the permission. So if player, which I have not even like made the player, so player equals player sender. So if player dot has it's as easy as this. If player dot has permission, then this YouTube too. We can basically in here you can make the permission anything. It doesn't have to be, and then like it doesn't have to be your plugin dot and then the command. It can simply just be anything. It can be hello perm, or it can be anything. Like it doesn't matter because it's a string. So, but just because it's how do I say this? It's mainstream. What the? I've been just pressing E. It's mainstream and bucket and bucket. This is the formal way of doing it. So we're gonna get the YouTube2 my gosh, YouTube2 dot test. That's gonna be our permission name. We actually don't need the squiggly brackets here because I've just been using the reason why you don't need it is because it's only if the if statement or the else statement only returns one line of code or like one thing. You don't actually need the squiggly braces. It's unneeded. You can just do this. It really doesn't matter unless you have other stuff in here, then you'll need the squiggly braces. But if you don't, then I mean you don't, right? I don't know how else to say it. So yeah, that's literally our plugin. And in the plugin.yml, we are going to do set spawn is no longer. We're going to do test, and we're going to say this is a test command. And to make the permissions, we are actually going to do permissions. We're gonna 2 spaces, and then we're gonna do the permission name, which is YouTube2.test. So YouTube2.test, and we can make the description. We can make it this is a test permission, and we can make a default. A default is basically if how do I explain this? I need to actually think about what a default is first. I forgot what a default is. I do it so often that it's just memorizing, and I totally forgot what a default is. Default. The default is you know what? I'm just gonna reference it. Okay, and we're back, and so we are looking at the plugin.yml wiki, and so we're gonna go through. I'm gonna look for permissions is not okay. So, oh man, it doesn't show permission. No default. It says the default value of the permission. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Okay, so basically, if the default is true, then that means anyone on the server can use it. Like, you don't need the permission. It's like, but if the default is false, that means no one can use it, like, but the person who has the permission. And if the default is op, only opt players can use this. So yeah, so the default in ours will be op because we just want the op players to be using it. So that's that. We can also make the usage here. So usage / command, and yeah, / command. So we're gonna save this. I actually made a localhost server for this. So Minecraft server, pretty sure it's on. I'm actually on another server right now. Shoutouts to Findexcraft. It's a pretty good server. It's a city PvP or city roleplay thing, but you can do whatever the fuck you want. Like, this is my house. It's a mansion. It's beautiful. And okay, let's get back to my local server. That, and we're gonna go onto my test server. We're going to. Okay, we need to export this. So export jar file, browse desktop. Gonna go into my Minecraft server. We're gonna go into my plugins. We're just gonna save it there. YouTube jar, YouTube 2 jar actually. And we're just going to. It's in there, so we're just going to type /stop first. Great, I'm not op. That's cool. I don't know what the hell is wrong with my server, man. It opens up for like a second and then it just closes down because it's a stop. No shit. Okay. I don't know what to do. Run as administrator. That made a really loud noise. Run as administrator. Let's see what happens then. Stop. Oh. I set you to true and you're doing this to me. God damn it. What if I press that? Does that do anything? I know that just loads in all this. Huh. Piss off. Oh, well, we might as well write my name in the ops file. Because that's what the cool kids do. You know what, guys? I'm going to be right back, and I'm going to solve this problem because I can't do anything. Be right back. Alright, guys. So obviously this isn't going to work. I've been going at it for like an hour now. I don't really set up Minecraft servers, so I will fix this by next episode. I promise you guys. But I can almost assure you that the code that we made, this plugin, it works. I mean, like. I mean, it 100% works. Like, I have no doubts. If it doesn't, put that. These chips taste so good. If it doesn't work, then leave the error, like the Java exception error, inside the description. I'll debug it. I'll tell you what's wrong, and then you guys can fix it. And then I'll make the new update in the next episode, which is going to be in like 10 minutes. So, see you guys later in the next episode. Bye.